Here, I have a present for you.
Yes.
Come and get it. It's in this box right here.
Oh my God, look at that.
It's our potato harvest.
We did that.
Yes, we did that.
In a garden that's super small and was planted 4 months ago.
Yeah.
Look at how many. Look at how beautiful they are. The purple versus the white versus the red.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Here, let me zoom in. I feel like this one looks like a heart.
Yeah, it does. We'll just like keep them like this in the box, piece of wood on top, and then keep the dirt on them. Put them in a cool, dark part of the yurt, and they'll be good all winter.
Yep. Until we get a root cellar.
Then we'll plant a few as seed potatoes for next spring.
All right. Now you can take them. Bye.
Thanks. Good job, babe. Okay. See you later.
Thanks. I'm gonna pick food for dinner.
Okay. We're having potatoes for every meal for a week.
Okay. I love potatoes.